Little Excavator by Anna Dewdney. Here comes the big rigs rolling down the street. Thumpa thumpa, bumpa bumpa, beep beep beep. Can you see little E ready on the spot? He's a little excavator working on the lot. Wham goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble rumble, crumble crumble, fall fall fall. Little E is busy. He goes bam bam bam. Uh-oh, little excavator, now you're in a jam. Gram goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Pusha pusha, smusha smusha, smash smash smash. Little E tries lifting up some junk junk junk, but there goes little excavator, over with the clunk. Droom goes the dump truck, with a load to lug. Thunka thunka, clunka clunka, chug chug chug. Little E wants to lug all day day day. Look out, little excavator, don't get in the way. Brump goes the backhoe, digging in the dirt. Clang clang, bang bang, work work work. Little E is helping too. He can dig dig dig. Not yet, little excavator, someday when you're big. Whirr goes the tall crane, rising to the sky. Whoosh whoosh, swoosh swoosh, high high high. Little E is stretching. He gets tall tall tall. Sorry, little excavator, you're too small. Now there's one last job, and the day is done. But no big rig can do it, not a single one. Everybody tries it, and it's much too tight. But can it be? Little E fits just right. Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. There's work to do just for you, here and now. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.